So excited to show you our brand new listing at 135 Delmonica Road in Bridgwater. This home is almost 1,800 square feet. It's built in 2021 and it's move-in ready with a quick possession available. You gotta see this one before it's gone. Now this open concept floor plan is amazing for entertaining. You've got this gorgeous kitchen here with two-tone cabinets, quartz countertops over here, opens into the dining area. Notice a sliding door opening onto your two-tiered composite back deck with a glass railing there so you have an unobstructed view of your yard. Over here we've got the living room. We've got this gas fireplace, perfect for warming up on a chilly winter night. Now upstairs we've got 3 spacious bedrooms. We got 2 full bathrooms and laundry. Let's go check it out. This home has a fully finished basement. You've got room for a 4th bedroom if you need it, and a beautiful big rec room ready for family life.